percentage is a very nice way to compare two things. Suppose if you say that your marks in maths is 85% and your friend's marks is suppose 80%, then it is very easy to compare who has got better marks. Now, how do you calculate your percentage, your marks? Now, to calculate that, you have to just write down the marks you have obtained upon the total. What was out of what you have got these marks, okay, the total into 100. Okay, so this is the way how you can calculate your marks in any of the subject. Suppose you are getting 16 marks out of 25, so you write 16 upon 25 into 100 to calculate your percentage. Now, percentage has a lot of applications. It has a lot of applications, means it has a lot of uses in our day-to-day life. Now, let's talk about these uses or applications of percentage. The first one is increase or decrease as percent. You must have heard many times that the price of this commodity or this item is increased by 5%, 10%, or it is decreased by 8%, 10%. You have come across these statements a lot of time. Now, what does it mean? It means that the price is changed, now it is increased, or the price is decreased. Now, when you hear this like 5% is increased or 10%, it becomes easy for you to understand. So, how can we calculate that how much the price is increased or decreased? So, for this, you will write the amount of change, that how much is the change. Suppose your Trimex pen, suppose your any pen, the cost of the pen is 50 rupees and now the cost of the pen is 60 rupees. So, what is the amount of change? 10 rupees. Because 60 minus 50, 10. So, the amount of change is 10. So, 10 will come here upon original amount or base. Originally, what it was 50 rupees. So, here what will come? 50 into 100. And you will get how much it is increased, the percentage which is increased. And similarly, suppose any quantity is there, suppose you can say any, suppose nowadays the cost of the mobile phones are decreasing. So, suppose earlier a mobile phone which was coming of 15,000, now it is available for 12,000, or there is a decrease of 3,000. How can you define that in percentage? So, there is a change of amount of 3,000 upon originally it was 15,000 into 100. This is how you calculate increase or decrease percent. The another application of percentage is when the prices are related to an item or buying or selling of any commodity or any item. Now, when you buy something, so the price at which you are buying it, that is the cost price, and it is represented as CP. Suppose you have used that thing for a few days and then you find like you want to buy something else and you want to just sell out the thing which you have. So when you're going to sell it out, then the price which you are getting after selling it, that is known as the selling price and we denote it as SP. Now, when you sell something, then you either have profit or loss. Now, how will you find whether you have profit or loss? When the price at which you have bought and the price at which you are selling it, if the selling price is more, that means you are having profit. So, to have profit, the selling price should be more than the cost price. And how will you calculate how much profit you have got? Just subtract selling price and cost price. Now, in case of loss, the cost price is greater than the selling price. Okay? So, if you are buying something at 500 rupees and you are selling it for 400 rupees, that means you are having loss. You are incurring a loss. And how to find out the loss? The cost price minus selling price. Now, by subtracting, we can easily tell how much the profit was and loss was. But how will you tell that in percentage? So, to convert that in percentage, you have to divide the profit by the cost price. See, both profit and loss will be, profit percent and loss percent both will be calculated on the cost price, not on the selling price. So, whatever the profit you had upon the cost price into 100. And to calculate the loss percent, whatever the loss you had upon the cost price into 100. how we find the profit percent and the loss percent. Sometimes profit percent is already given to you and you have to find the profit in rupees. A loss percent is given to you, you have to find out the loss. Now out of these three, if anything is missing, you can easily find out if the other two are given. Now suppose children, in place of profit percent, loss percent, you have been asked to calculate the selling price. Then how will you calculate the selling price? To calculate selling price, we should know that the cost price plus the profit. If it is given, we can directly find out. But what if the profit is not given? What if the CP is not given? Then we know to find the profit percent, we have profit upon CP into 100. Now to find profit, CP into profit percent upon 100. Now put this profit here. SP is equals to CP plus, in place of profit we can write profit percent into CP upon 100. Here we can suppose there is 1. Now cost price is common, CP is common. Here 1 plus profit percent upon 100. 100 can be taken as LCM and can be written here 100 plus profit percent. So you can apply this formula which has been derived now to calculate the selling price. Now same formula you can use if in place of profit percent loss is given to you. Now how will you do that? I'll show you. To calculate the selling price when loss percent is given. So we will write CP 100. Now loss means minus, so we'll put minus loss percent upon 100. Okay. Now suppose CP you have to calculate. Now how will you calculate CP? So now just change this formula a little bit. Here there is 100 in division, it will go in multiplication. This is in multiplication with CP, it will go in division. And the new formula which is here SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. Remember, always solve this bracket first. Now if in place of profit loss is given to you 100 minus loss percent, this will be the formula to calculate the cost price. If you have learned, you know how to derive it. First of all, you must know how to derive it. You can practice it once again, and after deriving this formula, you can change this for anything. Like if you want to find CP, if you want to find this for